Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume for your headphones JBL Tune Beam. You have to start by open JBL application. Now scroll down, click on gestures. Now choose the left one or the right one earbud. I prefer the left one. And now I click on customize and I choose voice control. And now, as you can see, I can finally change volume with gestures. So let's test it. I turn on. Now, if I press one time, I will increase the volume. And if I press two times, I will lower the volume. Here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!